Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Friday, 16th of August of 2024. Well, yesterday we were talking about that Bitcoin the day before closed below this midpoint, so the chance for the Thursday is being bearish. We talk about that Bitcoin will retrace a little bit to this point maybe, and it happened. Bitcoin retraced during the morning, during the midday basically of the US market opens, retraced to this point and goes down during the whole afternoon. So the analysis was nice because Bitcoin passed just this zone and create a reversal, a very strong reversal signal, and goes down the whole rest of the day with a lot of strength. In that in the downtrend, we was expecting that Bitcoin maybe react to this place or this place, but yesterday we talked about that the high chance was to at least arrive to here, and a remote chance, not a high chance, to touch this point. And if we are in the daily chart, this is the order block. We will leave it there. This is the order block. We will come back to the 1 hour, and in the 1 hour we see that touch perfect. Just it's hard to be more precise than that, and was a pretty strong bounce. But we have Houston. We have a problem. Bitcoin respect this zone, but the bad part is that it closed it closed below this low. So that confirm the continuation of the downtrend, sadly. So for what we can expect for today, Friday. For today, Friday, just more downside, but we have a few important points. First point of interest. Let me remove. First of all, let me remove this. We didn't need it. We will remove this because already passed through. We remove this because already passed through. We will leave this here. One important point is the midpoint of this candle. This is 94.5. 94.5. This midpoint of the candle is a good entry point if you are bearish. So, for example, you can expect that Bitcoin retrace a little bit, touch the zone or pass a little bit, and then boom, go down again. This point is very, very good for entries, the midpoint of the whole candle. Other thing that you can do is the midpoint of just the bodies. That's another zone for retracement. That is 79.6. Let me 79.6. That is the other point of interest for a retracement. So you have two places here that will have a lot of resistance. So Bitcoin can retrace to this place and it will start to find resistance, and probably it will go down. Other point of interest is, as you know, the midpoint of this wick. That is 740.0. This is another point. So my strategy will be that Bitcoin retrace a little bit, find a lot of resistance in this place, and I will take a short with the first target here, second target here, and I will leave a runner probably to here, because from the open we have for about yeah, Bitcoin can happen can have a 6-7% negative day during this Friday. Yeah, it's possible. The most likely is just to be around this zone. So it's very important how Bitcoin close this Friday, because if it close below this zone, let me write it down. If Bitcoin close below here, is a confirm that will go at least to here. Of course here, but at least to here. And depending on the close of the Friday and Saturday, maybe could try this. But this is pretty unlikely because it has a lot of liquidity in the down and liquidate a lot of people. So this is a healthy retracement. It's a retracement basically for the, let me use the Fibonacci. Basically this zone is the most important zone. Okay, guys. So I think it's very likely that Bitcoin maybe tomorrow or during the weekend, during Saturday afternoon, Sunday morning is pretty typical. Bitcoin will go and touch this zone and goes up with the strength. If don't, we are we are pretty bad because that will start probably a bear market. So I think it's unlikely for now to go that far, but it's pretty likely that Bitcoin will continue going down, swipe this, and maybe depends of the reaction at this point. It all depends on how Bitcoin react to this point. If it swipe and goes up and close around and close above this blue line, we will have a continuation to the upside that I'm expecting that. But if not, Bitcoin will probably continue going down and stay in this zone because this zone is a pretty important zone for to support the price and continue up. If done, we will see in the next day's analysis. But this is the scenario for now, guys. Basically bearish with some retracement during the first part of the day and during the market open hours in the US. Bitcoin will probably start to going down again and at least swipe this or this, but that's are the targets. So you can zoom and check the prices here for set up your targets. Okay, this is the analysis, guys. I hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow.